Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by sourcing fresh, live lobster and assembling gear. Get a 6/8 quart pot, kosher salt, tongs, and kitchen shears. Once done, chill the lobster 20-30 minutes to calm it and reduce movement. Make sure to measure water so the shell is fully submerged. Use 2 tablespoons salt per quart to mimic seawater. While the water heats, prep a platter and melted butter. These steps speed the cook and improve texture, so do them in this exact order before moving to the stove. You place the lobster head first into a rolling boil to minimize splashing and ensure even cooking. Timing is everything. For a 1 to 1¼ pound lobster, boil 8-10 minutes. Once you exceed that weight, add about 2-3 minutes per extra ½ pound. Make sure to start your timer the second the lobster is submerged. Once done, remove promptly and plunge into an ice bath for about 2 minutes to halt carryover cooking and firm the meat, which makes cracking and tasting perfect. You finish by cracking the claws and tail, extracting meat with a fork or pick. Take your time to preserve whole pieces. Serve immediately with melted butter and lemon. Pairing with simple sides keeps the lobster center stage. If the meat feels rubbery, sear briefly in hot butter for 30 to 60 seconds to soften fibers. If it's underdone, return to boiling for 1 to 2 minutes only. If shells split oddly, check for uneven heating next time and adjust pot size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.